In this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook code not received easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys to fix this problem is very easy. Go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and then go to apps here in the top right. Here on this page, as you can see, you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Facebook, click on it, and now all what you have to do here is go to the permissions, and here make sure that the storage is enabled, and then go back and click on this force stop option. And now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Facebook, and the problem must be solved. If it didn't solve it, then go to the storage, click on clear data, and then reopen Facebook, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.